Panorama provides a feature for an administrator to capture the Panorama and Firewall configs at any moment in time, anticipating a potential restore to that configuration in the future. Imagine I'm preparing to make some changes to a firewall, and I'm concerned about capturing the real intent of my changes and want to be prepared to roll back in a moment's notice. Going to the Panorama menu, going to Setup, selecting Operations, and choosing Save named Panorama Configuration Snapshot allows me to capture this combined configuration file locally on the Panorama. Notice I have a checkbox to modify the save if I wanna be selective about which data is being captured in this configuration file. Name your file and hit OK. The file I just saved contains the Panorama firewall configurations at the moment I did that save and is available to me for future reference. You might have noticed that capturing that configuration file did not require a Panorama commit function. Let's assume that I'm in the middle of editing my multiple firewalls, making configuration changes, and I'm concerned about the quality of those changes at this point I wish to roll back. Navigating to the Panorama menu, Setup, and Operations, we take advantage of the load named Panorama Configuration Snapshot. Hold down my selector to find the file that we saved earlier. Notice the checkbox is allowing me to do a selective load. In this case, I'd like to load the entire configuration. I press OK, acknowledge the notification that this will occur in the background. This load function restores the configuration to Panorama's candidate configuration. It is not an operation, and I have to perform a Panorama commit in order to merge it with the running configuration. Go to Commit, commit to Panorama, acknowledge the commit and start the process. And Panorama will now complete a normal Panorama commit process. The process is complete, but the firewall configurations have not been pushed down to the firewalls if I need to restore those configurations as well. In order to do that, return to the Commit button and push to Devices. Edit the selections. Pick all devices for device groups and templates to ensure that all data will get pushed. Click OK. Confirm the push. This begins the push process down to the firewalls culminating in a local commit. When that's complete, all configuration of Panorama firewalls will be restored.